Imagine having the power of advanced AI assistants at your fingertips without relying on cloud-based services that could slow you down or compromise your data security. For many coders and developers, this is a dream come true, and it's becoming a reality with the rise of local AI models. Today, we're going to explore the trending topic of replacing Claude/GPT with a local model for daily coding. As you may know, the popular AI chatbot Claude, developed by Anthropic, and GPT, created by OpenAI, have revolutionized the way we work with AI. However, relying on cloud-based services can be a concern, especially when it comes to data security and latency. A recent post on Hacker News, Ask HN, has anyone replaced Claude/GPT with a local model for daily coding? Sparked a lively discussion among developers, and we're here to dive deeper into the topic. One of the pioneers in local AI models is the company Hugging Face, which offers a